Hi, welcome again to Brevard County, Melbourne Beach. This is John Detmer with J&H Surf Fishing. Please take a look at the website at J&H Surf Fishing and see more videos. Now we're going to cast our bait into the water. We've got our rod, we've strung it, we've got our pompano rig on, we've got our weight on, we've got our rod. And the first thing we want to do, oh, by the way, this is for right-handed people. Change everything for left. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the weight to the tip of the rod to be about 4 feet, 4 to 5 feet. This is a 12-foot rod, so 4 or 5 feet, there's no way that the weight can hit you when it comes over your shoulder. The next thing we're going to do is look at the reel with our left hand. We're going to push the reel around till this roller bearing is right underneath our trigger finger. And we are going to pull the line in with our left hand, and we now have the line held. When we open this part, which is the bail, now the rod is ready to go. When I let go of my finger, the line comes out. So again, we'll want to get to be about 4 or 5 feet from the weight to the tip of the rod. We'll move the roller bearing around till it's directly under our trigger finger. We'll pull the fishing line in with our left hand till we are holding the line. We're then going to open the bail and we swing the rod around. We take our left hand and put it on the butt of the rod. I prefer these rods because they have a long handle. The shorter handled ones don't allow you to use both hands. In this rod, I can use both hands. I can push with my right arm and shoulder. I can pull with my left hand down to my pocket. And the movement is very simply, feet are about shoulder width apart, hands are high, looking straight south. The rod is pointed directly back, not to the right, not to over here. And the casting motion is a step and coming over your shoulder, not sidearm, but over your shoulder. So the movement would be like so, hands up, push and pull. And that's about it. Now, it's very easy for me to do that in front of you, and it's not very hard for me to do that. You will find that when you do it for the first time, that it'll go up in the air, the weight will go to the right, the weight will go to the left, and it will get a little exasperating. But you should remember that you just need to practice a little bit. I have never found anybody in my 8 years of this business of J&H Surf Fishing who couldn't pick this up after a day fishing with me. Again, 4 feet. Weight to tip, moving the bail around till the roller bearing is underneath the trigger finger. Trigger finger holds the line. The bail is opened a little bit like cocking a gun. Now the gun is loaded. The analogy works. Hands are high. You are going to push and pull, and here comes the hard part. When do I let go, John? Well, the best I can tell you is you let go when you are 45 degrees above the horizon. Well, John, what's 45 degrees? So in other words, we're going to be talking to each other and not knowing when to let go. Bottom line is, use your finger, and as you cast, point at the direction that you want with the trigger finger over here. And that will send the weight in that direction and in that trajectory that will hit the water. So if you'll watch my finger, don't watch the rod action, watch the finger on this video, and you'll see what I mean. If you've pointed straight out, you've let go correctly. If you've cast and let go here, the weight's going straight in the air and coming right down in front of you. So you'll want to You'll want to concentrate on that. And again, it's not that hard a deal. It's a lot of fun. Minute you've got it cast out and it's in the rods, the sand spike, open the lawn chair and enjoy our wonderful beaches. Have a good day.